Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your POCO M6. So first, what you guys can do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons. So basically, when you are not in a call, then you won't be able to actually change the volume. Basically, you cannot change the volume of the call while not being in it. So some phones actually have it as an option, but as you guys can see, whenever we go into the settings and then scroll down until we see sound and vibration, here we only have media, ringtone and alarm. So you guys can only change the call volume in a call. So if you're in a call, then just simply press on volume up and that should help. Now after that, what you guys can do is disable Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So go to settings and here make sure that you turn off the Bluetooth so that no device can connect to yours. So for example, your headphones, your car or anything else. Now after that, what you guys can do is grab a soft brush if you have one and clean the earpiece, because when you're not cleaning your earpiece, then it can get dirty with dirt or debris and basically it can block the sound. So not completely or completely, but it can do that, and I recommend you guys cleaning it from time to time. Now after cleaning it, you guys can hop on a test call, so you guys can call somebody in the phone app or call somebody on, let's say, WhatsApp, Instagram, something that just supports calls. Now after that, if there's still no sound during calls, what you guys can do is press the power button and the volume up button. And now after you click it, swipe down to reboot the device and wait for it to turn back on. So I'll see you guys then. Now after the restart, if there are still some issues with your device, then I recommend you guys visiting the service center for a checkup. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.